There's an update. Yep. On the yeah. Yeah, we're going off the books on this one. I think we can't afford another penumbra incident. Yeah. Just bring yourself an echo. Yeah, nobody else. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. You know the place. No badges. Meeting in 10, yeah? Usual place. Before I say anything, I need to know I can trust you both. We can't afford another leak. I feel like I've got it now.
I speak for both of us when I say we've got your back. 100%.
You say it like we're going to find him. We're not. No one ever has. 14 murders and he's got away with every single one. You say like this time it's going to be different. How is it going to be any different?
She's right. Every time we feel like we get close to him, he manages to one-up us and gets away. People have been on this case for years. That's why it's closed.
But this time it's different, okay? I've taken every step of precaution I can. It's going to be sorted.
Alright. I believe you.
So where is he then?
Well, I don't exactly know where he is right now, but I know where he's going to be, okay? All the killings. Nobody has spotted it, but there's a pattern. And we don't have much until the next one. What we thought was a sporadic killing, it's methodical, it's planned, okay? Each person, they know where they're going to be next, okay? I know where they take the bodies to be dumped, okay?
Where he takes them? What do you mean?
Look.
It shouldn't be too far. It's just this way.